Hi everyone! Have a great day ahead. So, for now kakaano lang, tapos kumain na halo-halo sa Chowking. Nasa Chowking ako. And I think that's my halo-halo. And thank you for those na nag-comment about yung sa last vlog ko. Yung previous vlog bago nito. It's all about walking, and the topic there is about NCLEX yung discuss kami ng mentor ko before. Actually, I did, yes. I am still reviewing for my NCLEX. Review lang, pero hindi pa ako nag-schedule ng exam. And NGN naman daw ngayon yung exam. And it's a new thing. Tinuturo din during review. Actually, nag-review ko self-paced. So, they are sending me videos and also reading materials to review. And that's really helpful. Kagagaling ko lang din sa office. It's quite raining here in Zamboanga City today. So, kamusta naman kayo? I'm with my friend. Nag-retired na siya. So, si Sir Ruboy kasama ko. Kumain ng halo-halo. So, after here, we will be strolling around sa strolling ka. So, yeah guys. Of course, usually kasi preparing for your any exam, board exam, NCLEX, any sort of exam. Pag nagre-review, you really have to focus and you have to schedule your study habits. Focus talaga, and also prioritize those topics na saan ka weak. And it is really helpful din you are getting or practicing and taking the exam para harness yung capability mo in taking the exam, pati yung mga reading comprehension para mag-gets mo agad. Kasi the exam is timer, it is time pressured, so you really have to read to get that thought so that you will be arriving to the correct answer. Diba? So, sige lang. Yes, so currently nasa ako. Miniso SM. So, eto. Yeah. Ang glass. No guys. Ito lang yung pang distress ko after work. Cute siya. So, with cap. Diba? Na cute. Kitchen utensils. It's cute. Buti walang sound today. Hindi ako mag-copyright. Meron sila din dito yung sa ice cubes. This small one. So, eto, if you need yung mga lalagyan ng small container like perfume para hindi siya mabigat, so you can buy this. Meron ako ganito. 3. This is small one. And very fit for travel. Para para hindi siya mabigat pag mag-travel ka. Meron din silang nakapak. Mickey, cute. Toothbrush. So cute. For makeup essentials. Makeup essentials. Perfume. Dito guys, dati, yung perfume pala nila is limited lang. It's not always na available. Yung favorite ko na dito, yung parang powdery na sweet, wala na siya. Hello, parang actually, tumatagal minsan yung mga perfume nila dito, but yung favorite ko, wala na siya. Kaya di na ako bumibili. Di na bumibili. They have perfume. And cute. May have Snoopy. With sections here. Yung before ako nag-training ng ICD-10 na ata. Dito ako bumili ng books, ng notebooks. Yeah. Balik tayo sa NCLEX. If you will be taking NCLEX, you have to financially and emotionally prepared para you can ace the exam. Although yeah, you can have a retake, but it is really expensive yung yung exam fees and also your effort. So dapat kung mag-take ng NCLEX, dapat ace mo talaga on the first take pa lang. So guys, alam nyo yan ng logo, di ba? So that's Uniqlo. Uniqlo. It's Uniqlo.